is Thursday, 5th period, English 7C here at KIT Iizuka. Let's take a look at what we have to do this week and going further from that too. So on that theme, before I forget, today is the 8th, class number 5, the 8th. Actually, I'll show you over here on my iPad. Okay, so today's the 8th of the May. Now, we have this week, the 8th. We have next week, which is on the 15th. And going on from there too, the last week in May is the 22nd. There's no class on May 29th because on May 29th, the schedule is for Tuesday classes. Now, what happens is that immediately from class number 7, the next class will be June 5th, and that will be the midterm test. That test will be a conversation test. I think 2 or 3 of you, maybe 4 of you already took my class in first year, and you know what my conversation tests are like. For those of you who have never taken my class before, from this week, I'm going to start showing you slowly how to start gathering your English so that without having to study a lot of vocabulary, without having to study a lot of grammar, the English you have now, I want to show you how you can use that in a conversation. And we'll start doing that from today. Also from today, also from today, the warm-up will be a Quizlet. So this Quizlet right here, this is for units 5 and 6. We'll do that probably for about 10 or 15 minutes. And for your assignments, you have a reading quiz. Now, the reading quiz is basically in unit 5 in our textbook, page 45, there's a reading there. That reading, please read that, and then I want you to take this quiz. Now, like all of my quizzes, you can take it up to 3 times. It's 15 minutes for the quiz, but read page 45, okay, on unit 5 before you start the quiz because you only have 15 minutes. You don't want to read it while you're actually answering the questions. And like every week, you have a reflection. This one is on this video. Okay, make sure you watch the video and then write your ideas. Put it on a piece of paper, take a picture, send it up to this assignment. Okay. As always, if you ever have any questions, come on. Okay, come on. Okay, I'll take it up to the top. If you ever have any questions, you can always use my email right here, jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can come talk to me in class. So let's have a good class, everyone.